Hello everyone. In this video I am going to demonstrate a square wave frequency generator using IC555. This is a 50 to 60 Hz inverter oscillator and this is a square wave oscillator. This kind of oscillator is required to generate a grid frequency in power inverters whenever there is a loss of power supply. Whenever there is a loss of power supply and we need to generate a 50 Hz frequency, square wave frequency, in those cases this kind of oscillators are used. So as you can see here, the 555 timer IC is the heart of the oscillator. This is the R1 resistor 10K potentiometer and this is R2 1K fixed resistor and this is 10 microfarad capacitor 25 volts and this is the pin number 5 discharge pin capacitor 0.01 microfarad. This is the output LED. This is confirming the presence of the output signal. So this is how the circuit looks like. So this is the circuit diagram of the oscillator. The power supply is 12 volts DC. This is the R1 potentiometer where we can adjust it to get a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz. We just adjust this potentiometer and the frequency here will change. As per our inverter circuit, we have to change this frequency. Once the frequency is changed, we leave it as it is. The R2 is 1K quarter watt resistor and C1 is 10 microfarad 25 volts capacitor. And there is a 0.01 microfarad capacitor on pin number 5. There is a current limiting resistor of 330 ohms and there is a status confirmation LED to show there is output voltage present. Now I am going to adjust the frequency and show the behavior of the circuit. So as you can see here, this is the circuit and presently the output voltage of the circuit is 50 Hz, 50.01 Hz and my duty cycle is 66%. So now I am going to adjust the circuit to 60 Hz. As you can see here, I will put my potentiometer, I will adjust this potentiometer like this. I am going to adjust this potentiometer. So as you can see here, the output frequency is increasing. You can see the output frequency is increasing. You can see. Now it is a little more, 60.36. So now the frequency is 59.95 Hz. So now I have adjusted the oscillator to a frequency of 60 Hz. So what is my duty cycle? My duty cycle is 59% and my output voltage is 6.5 volts DC. So you can see this is the frequency, output frequency 60 Hz. Now I will tune it back to 50 Hz. So again I will put my potentiometer, I will adjust this potentiometer R1. As you can see, the frequency is changing. I have reduced it to 55 Hz. I will reduce it further. As you can see, I am changing the frequency back to 50 Hz. The adjustment is very fine. We need to adjust it very slowly. So as you can see, now I am back to 50 Hz. So this is how we can generate a square wave 50 Hz frequency with 555 timer IC on stable multi-vibrator mode. So this is how the square wave oscillator circuit works. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.